We here at Challenger Lifts are big partners of the Myers Tire Group. We've got a battery table that we feel is going to be a great addition to any shop that you've got there in your network. Of course, you've got your pallet jack. You've got heavy-duty feet that's going to help this thing stay planted. As we move across, you've got your rubber pads that are included with the lift table itself. You got a rubber pad here as well. On the way down here, what's nice about this table is that you actually have the ability to expand the tabletop. So we know that the batteries are becoming longer, wider, and taller. We can also use it for axles. We can use it for other drivetrain components, transmissions, engine, K-members, things like that. So one thing that we added to this is micro tune adjustments with a screw. What that's going to allow the shop to do is remove multiple technicians from this tabletop, and it's going to get one technician to address any component back to the vehicle. We've got it on the side, we also have it on the front. So you've got side to side and fore and aft lifting, micro tune adjustments, just going to help your shop become more efficient. We also have a 110 power unit that's nested inside. It's controlled here with your pendant control, so we can go up and down. Easy as that. We actually on the downside have an alarm indicator, so we know that the component's coming down. Store that right here for the next use. Move it to any bay in the shop. So if you have any questions about the battery table, please feel free to reach out to your Myers Tire sales representative. Be glad to help you out.